economical, eco-friendly H20 E3 cleaning system from Thane. Clean, sanitize and help deodorize throughout your home using just simple kitchen ingredients and electricity. The H20 E3 supercharges the water you drink with the salt you eat to create a completely multi-purpose super cleaner we call S-Water. Simply fill your H20 E3 activator with water, add a little salt from your kitchen, give it a shake, press the button and watch the science in action. The activator emits low levels of electricity, breaking apart water and salt molecules to form two powerful oxidants. One is a powerful cleaner that cuts through dirt and grime, while the other is a powerful sanitizer and deodorizer. This technology has been used for years in the food industry and hospitals to clean, sanitize and deodorize, but it required expensive industrial equipment until now. H20's engineers miniaturized the technology, making it affordable for everyone. It's simple science with proven results. The H20 E3 is so effective, lab testing proves the supercharged S-Water kills up to 99% of common germs and bacteria, including E. coli and Salmonella. And the oxidant-rich S-Water doesn't just mask odors, but helps eliminate them. The H20 E3 is economical. Use it to replace some of those harsh chemical cleaners you keep under the sink. And on floors, don't just push the mess around and potentially waste money on one-use chemical cleaning pads. With the H20 E3, breeze through housework, and you could save every year because the S-Water costs just pennies, and the pads are washable and reusable. And if you're concerned about the environment, the S-Water is an eco-friendly water-based cleaning solution. Best of all, there's far less plastic waste to pollute our world and oceans. So forget that heavy bucket, dirty mop, and some of those chemicals under your sink. The patent-pending H20 E3 eco-friendly cleaning system is an innovation in cleaning and will deliver great results every day. For your hard surface floors, just point and spray. The coral fingers clean and suck up the mess in seconds. One quick flip and the microfiber pad dries to a high shine. It's a double-sided mop that cleans and dries in one easy step. Release the S-Water and twist on the handy e-sprayer nozzle, creating a handheld cleaner for most hard surfaces in your home. Use these powerful oxidants to easily cut through stuck-on soap scum, rejuvenate patio furniture, kill germs and bacteria without harsh chemicals, and help to eliminate odors on virtually any surface. The H20 E3 is the cleaning solution with less pollution.
I cannot believe that only a couple household ingredients can make a cleaner that is this effective.
I know what's in it. I know how I made it. Cleaning with this, it does the job.
I could make this powerful cleaning solution over and over for pennies.
Now, as part of the spring cleaning event at Thane, go online or call to get your effective, economical, eco-friendly H20 E3 cleaning system for just $9.99 for the next 12 months, or pay just $190.